Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Humbot AI, which is the AI humanizer tool that can turn any AI generated content into something that passes as almost 100% human, even when tested by the toughest AI detectors out there. Okay, now I'm heading over to Higgs.ai, which is basically a platform to generate some content. And we'll see it will be all AI content that is being generated, obviously, because it's being generated by a model. So we are going to generate about, Donald Trump, and we are using the model DeepSeek R1. So it is somewhat like ChatGPT only, just using a different model. And obviously, it's an AI model, so the content will be entirely AI generated. And yeah, it's thinking right now because it's a reasoning model. And then we'll pass this in the information or the AI generated content into all the detectors, and we'll see that it's almost 100% AI generated. And the next thing that we'll do is like pass this through Humbot, and then we'll see that it's almost 100% human generated content. Now we are going to get the first few characters of this. Okay, so these are the first few characters. And now this is GPT-0, and I'm going to paste it in here, and we'll see how much AI content it's saying. Yeah, see, it's 100% AI generated. So makes sense because it's obviously generated by AI. Now, the next thing we'll try one is the zero GPT. So we are going to zero GPT, and we'll also paste this content in here. And then we'll see that it's again 100% AI generated. Yeah, there you go. This is 100% AI generated, the entire content. Next, we are going to Winston AI. So Winston AI is another AI detector, and it's a popular one used by, many teachers and principals and all to see whether the content you have generated is AI or not. So we are again going to pass this content that we generated through this AI detector to see what's the score. Yeah, now we pasted the content here in Winston, and now we're scanning it to see whether it's AI generated or not. So it takes a few seconds and done. Let's see what it's saying. Yeah, see, this is 1% human, 99% AI generated content. Perfect. Yeah, this is originality.ai. So another popular AI detector. And now we are going to paste in the content, and then we are going to see what's the score by this app. Also, it is used by many popular, professionals and teachers and all to see whether the content is AI or not. Let's see, scan. There you go. 100% AI content. Obviously, I mean, it's generated by an AI, so obviously it will be 100% AI generated content only. Now we'll see the magic of Humbot. Okay. Now we are going to Humbot AI. Yeah, this is Humbot AI. Check very carefully. And here, this is the Humbot AI logo. Okay, now we are in the Humbot AI, and now we're going to paste in the content that was generated by AI, and we're going to humanize it. Let's see the magic of Humbot. There you go. We pasted the content, and now we are going to click humanize. Now we're going to go through each and every detectors that we saw that was giving us 100% AI generated, and we'll see that each of them will give almost 100% human generated content by this simple app. Just one click. Let's see, let's copy the content. Yeah. And now let's go through each of them and check what's the score. This GPT-0, just pasted the content and then scan. There you go. 100% almost human. Now comes 0GPT. Pasted the content, 100% human. Next comes Winston AI, the one that we just now created. Just now checked. It was 1% human only. Now we'll see it becoming almost 100% human. Let's see. Let's scan. I just pasted the code. Done. Let's see. 100% see. 100% human by Winston AI. Next, this is originality.ai. Let's paste the content and see exactly what is our score right now. I bet it will be almost 100% human. Let's see. See, it's almost 100% human. It's exactly 100% human. Humbot helps you humanize AI with no trouble at all. Their AI detection remover is designed to be novice friendly and is able to deliver written outputs in mere seconds. Their anti-AI detector produces humanized text that is readable as well and free from any grammatical and spelling errors overall, and won't lose any information of the original text. And overall, it preserves the originality of the content based on it doesn't completely change the meaning. And also, every time you generate the content, you will get unique content with a very low to zero plagiarism score. Great. So, link is in the description and you can easily log into Humbot AI and try this out, as I said. So, all the best and good luck.